Every journey towards success begins with a place that inspires learning, growth, and dreams. For many students, that journey begins at SHEPA. As you step onto this campus, you enter more than just a learning space. You enter an environment built to shape your future. Surrounded by a peaceful atmosphere and designed for meaningful learning, SHEPA encourages students to discover their potential and think beyond limits. From interactive classrooms to knowledge-filled libraries, every corner reflects a commitment to growth and excellence. Because success isn't built overnight. It grows through learning, dedication, and continuous effort. At SHEPA, education goes beyond academics. It becomes a journey of transformation. This is where dreams become goals and goals become achievements.